Hello everybody, in this tutorial I am going to create shadow of an image. Here I have an image of a standing man of which I want to create a shadow. The image that I have taken has a transparent background. If you see, if I take the move tool and move it, it moves from one place to another. It is in a floating state. It is very important to keep the image that you want to create shadow on a separate layer. So here I am creating a new file here. The file size I am showing you. This is a file new I have created, or I am doing it again. File new. Here I want to give width 1000 so that it will have sufficient space to show its shadow. Here I have this image. Now I drag this image to the new file that I have created just now. I do not need this file anymore, so I close it. If I double click here, I see this image here. The size is bit bigger, so I am holding the Ctrl and T to reduce its size. I am holding the shortcut key Alt plus Shift and dragging it inward. Sorry. So that it will fit into the file size. Here now if I click on this move tool, it will ask me to apply. I am going to click on this apply button here. Now I have taken my image to a new file. Now it is on a separate layer. Separate layer. Sorry. So right now if I hold Alt and drag, automatically a new copy of the given image will be created. Now I take edit transform and distort. I just slant it down and reposition it by applying my common sense. Actually apply here, since this shadow, this one I am going to make shadow, so but it is on the top layer, so I have to drag it downwards so that it will remain below the original image. Now you see it has gone to the back side of the original image. Here on this one here, the copy version of the image that I have taken. Now there in the layer palette I am dragging it to the center so that you will be able to see. There is an option called lock transparent pixel. If that option is clicked, what will happen? It will lock the transparent area. Now I just disable this background eye and your original image eye also. Now this area is called your transparent area. If you click here, this area, this transparent area will be locked. That means even if you try to fill it with color, you will not be able to do so. So right now I am on this layer 1 copy here. So since I am on the copy layer here, I click here on the lock transparent pixel here. What will happen? Now I am taking the brush tool. I enlarge its size. From here I can also enlarge its size, or you can use the shortcut key also to achieve the same result. The bracket key at the top of your keyboard. So here, since I have locked it, it is showing that it is locked. Now if you see that its foreground color is black, because shadows are generally in gray color. So now if I drag my mouse, it will only fill the image area only, because since I have locked the transparent area, it will not be able to apply color to it. Even if I try to fill it with a color, it will not be able to do so, because Photoshop has locked the transparent area. So now I enable these two layers also by clicking on their eye icon here. Now I have the shadow here. I again now I unlock it. To my taste, the black area or the shadow looks too dark. So what should I do? I just reduce its opacity. (35). Then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Just increase it to say 3 pixel or 4 pixel around. Okay. Now if you look at it, the edges are now smooth. So by using this method, we are able to create a shadow of the given image. So you can use any version of Photoshop to achieve this result. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial.